Advocate Indrapal Singh Nirmale. I would like to thank the Association Foundation, Dr. M. Chandrasekhar International Foundation, who has taken an initiative on a topic which is very crucial for India right now. The initiative which has been taken by the foundation is that they are raising an issue about US deporting Indian people. It's absolutely fair. They are deporting people. They are illegal immigrants. They have to be deported. We are not objecting on that point. The only issue which is being raised by the foundation is that the way they are being deported. Because the way they have been deported, it's absolute inhuman. US being a democratic country, they have proper rules, they have proper laws. In fact, they are much more they are having much more human right facilities and laws as compared to India. So they should have been cautioned, because this is not the first time they are deporting people back to India. Every year they are deporting. In fact, in 2019, I think there is a number of 2000 and something odd number of people have been deported back to India. But this was the first time. The way they have deported is like absolutely inhuman. Handcuffing them, their legs have been cuffed. They have been totally barred by the, what we say, they have been completely barred, and not to use the toilets, not to have food without opening their handcuffs. So this is completely inhuman. This shows that they want to now show to the countries that we are the major power. We can do anything what we want. They have to be curtailed at some point of time, because in India we have got our constitution, and in the constitution, article 21, which gives us the right to live and liberty. So as per that constitutional right, no one can violate that constitutional right. People gone to US, but they are Indian nationals. They have a right in the constitution. That rights are being violated by US nation by sending them in this way. Colombia being such a small nation, but they have not allowed the flight to land, in which they have deported the people, nationals of Colombia. In the same way they have deported. But Colombia being such a small country, they have refused to accept that flight, land that flight, not to accept, but land that flight. They have demanded from US that you send them in a proper charter flight. Don't send them in this manner. We are not going to accept them. They are our nationals. We want some dignity to be shown towards that, which is not been shown towards the Indian people. So through this association, Mr. Dr. M. Chandrasekhar International Foundation, the things which he is doing, the initiative which has been taken, I thanks to the association, the foundation, that they have given us an opportunity to speak and to come in front and take out the points which are crucial right now. Being into the legal fraternity, I think it is our duty and liability to at least protect some legal rights which we can. Though whatever we can do is less, because it is at the nation level. We being advocates, we can only agitate, we can only argue, we can only contradict. But it is at the point, it is their duty, the external affair legislative members, the parliament, the PM. Right now I have got to know that the PM is going to visit US. So
France.
If he is fortunately going to visit US, at that point of time, these points are to be considered, because Donald Trump, after taking the position over there and the way he has operated with India being a friendly nation, I completely oppose these things. I wanted to degrade these things which have been done. I request that some action should be taken, and the foundation, which is doing a very good job, I would like to appreciate the foundation, and I would like to also thank for giving us a chance to speak. I would conclude my